Today we're going to solve 2x2 Rubik's Cube. This one will be a lot simpler than solving the 3x3. You really only have to relearn one algorithm. It's the same algorithm, it's just upside down. And then it's really just like 3 steps. So this one will be a lot easier. So to start, we're going to find a white corner. We'll just start with this one. It's got red and blue on it. So let's find the other white with blue on it. And this one right here. So right there. So you put it right under where it needs to go, just like before. And then we're just gonna move it out of the way, bring this side down, and put it into place. So then, find the one with the red on it. And it's already up here. So if it's already up there, what you're gonna do is you don't want to put it down like this, because then it'll be facing down. So we'll turn it sideways so it's on our bottom layer facing the way we want, and then put this layer back up. And also fix the one we had facing down. So this one goes right here, so we want to put it right under where it needs to go, move it out of the way, put her into place. And we just got this one last one to do. So put it right under where it needs to go, move it out of the way, bring that side down, put it into place, and fix our white. Now when we get to this layer, so once we get the white done, we'll put it down, and we want to fix the yellow side now. So once we get to this point, we either want all 4 of these corners to be in the right spot right off the bat, or we only want one of them to be in the right spot. If you have 2 in the right spot, just turn it another time, and it'll fix that. So right now we have this one in the right spot and this one in the right spot. So we're just going to turn it, and now this one's in the right spot, and none of these are in the right spot. So this algorithm is exactly the same as the 3x3 one, the one for protecting the corner. I'll still put that at the bottom of the screen, and you're just going to protect this corner. So you want to bring it over, expose white, bring it back over, expose white, fix your white on this side, fix your white on this side. So now this one's in the right spot, this one's in the right spot, this one's in the right spot, and this one's in the right spot. Again, just like with the 3x3, it might not fix them all the first time. You might have to do it again, but you should be okay doing it 1 or 2 times to finish it. From here, we just have to flip these 2 corners. So to do that, this is the new algorithm that we're going to learn. And we're going to put, so I'm going to put the red side facing me. You can do it with any side, but I'm going to put the red side facing me, and this is the side that's going to face me the entire time. So I'm never going to turn the cube, I'm only going to turn the layer that I'm working on, and this is my workspace. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over. So we always complete our pattern, and we just keep doing it until it comes down with this yellow piece coming straight down into where it should be at. And then, since we just have this one left to do, I still have the same side facing me. I'm just going to turn this bottom layer until this piece comes into my workspace. And I'm going to do that same thing again. Up, over, down, over, up, over, down. And it fixed it. And then I just move this one over. And that is the 4x4, or the 2x2. So next week we'll do the 4x4. I've had a couple requests for that one, so we'll do that one next, and then maybe the 5x5 after that, unless y'all have some different ideas that you'd like to see done. I have quite a few cubes, so send me a message. I might have it. Maybe we could do that one after the 4x4. Remember to like and subscribe, and comment any videos you'd like to see in the future.